Looking for some unique, tasty yet less time taking recipe? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Udorpurti, and today's recipe is butter garlic mushroom. Do you know that I have not tasted mushroom before this? My husband made this delicious recipe and for the first time I tasted it. A very simple and unique recipe. At first, add some butter and toss the mushroom. After 5 to 6 minutes, just set aside the mushroom in the same pan and add some more butter. Then saute garlic and onion. Then mix it with the mushroom. Add salt and sugar for taste. Add some fresh cream. Stir continuously. Then add red chili flakes and oregano. It's almost ready. Just add chopped coriander leaves. And what else? Serve hot. If you like the video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.